am Muhamma Ali from Akhuwat First. I want to take your attention towards the one-day workshop on Basic Tools of Bioinformatics in Life Sciences that held on 18th March 2020 in Akhuwat Faisalabad Institute of Research Science and Technology. In this workshop, you will learn a lot of things, so please come.
Are you planning to analyze high throughput sequencing data? Are you looking to perform computational tasks more efficiently? Do you want to use high performance computing environment for bioinformatics data analysis?
If so, this one-day workshop is for you. During this hand-on workshop, participants will learn data travel from NCBI ensemble, primer design for endpoint PCR, for qPCR, for cloning, site-directed mutagenesis, subcloning restriction, cloning, and many more.
So this conference summarizes the most commonly used bioinformatics tools for the assembly and annotation of metagenomic sequence data with the aim of discovering novel genes. It entails the creation and advancements of databases, algorithms, computational and statistical techniques, and theory to solve formal and practical problems arising from the management and analysis of biological data.
So this time is going to change your way of working in bioinformatics, so get ready.
The last date to apply is 12 March 2020. You can register yourself online at link below.